Hello students, welcome to SK Biology. Today I am going to explain the life cycle of the malaria parasite. Malaria is caused by protozoan parasite called as Plasmodium. It spreads through the bite of an infected female Anopheles mosquito. The common symptoms of malaria are fever, chills and sweating. According to World Health Organization, that is WHO, millions of people are still at risk of malaria worldwide, especially children and pregnant women. So, malaria infection is very important for study. The life cycle of Plasmodium is complex because it requires two hosts. One is human, where asexual reproduction occurs, and second is female Anopheles mosquito, where sexual reproduction occurs. So, the parasite alternates between asexual reproduction in humans and sexual reproduction in mosquito. Now, let us understand the first phase which occurs in human. The infection starts with inoculation stage, where when infected female Anopheles mosquito bites a person, it injects a stage of parasite called as sporozoite into the human blood. So, this process is inoculation of parasite. After entering the bloodstream, the sporozoites travel to the liver cells. Here, they undergo asexual multiplication. This stage is called as exoerythrocytic cycle. As a result, many new forms called merozoites are produced. These merozoites then enter the red blood cells, where they again multiply asexually. This stage is called as erythrocytic cycle. When red blood cells burst, more merozoites are released, causing fever and chills in a patient. From here, second phase of parasite life cycle starts. Some merozoites inside red blood cells do not continue multiplication. Instead, they differentiate into male and female gametocytes. When another female mosquito bites the infected person, these gametocytes enters the mosquito's body. Inside mosquito gut, male and female gametes fuse together. This sexual fusion is called as syngamy. As a result, zygote is formed which later develops into eukinetes. So this stage represents gametogony where gametes are formed and syngamy where the sexual fusion occurred. The eukinetes formed in this step penetrates the mosquito gut wall and develops further. Inside the mosquito, the parasite undergoes maturation. The process is called as sporogony. Large number of sporozoites are formed and migrate to the salivary gland of mosquito. Now, the mosquito becomes infective and can transmit malaria to another human during the next bite. And in this way, malaria infection continues.